Papers are divided into many things. GSM, cold and hot press paper, 100% cotton paper, 25% cotton paper, and others. Some papers are made from cellulose, some are made from cotton, and some are made from other things. For watercolor, we have used cotton paper. There are the reason behind it, why we use it. So today I am going to discuss about types and quality of paper. In the last two videos we've discussed about colors and brushes. So if you want to watch out it, click on the I button. There are so many types of paper, let I tell you one by one. So here I have printing paper. This is too thin because it's only 70 GSM. Do you know about GSM? Okay, I am telling you. So GSM full form is gram per square meter. It is a unit of paper. In the other word, it represents weight and thickness of paper. Papers of lower number of GSM is much thin in compared to higher number of GSM. If you are doing practice, you can take 270 GSM paper. It would be better for you because it's slightly thick and cheap, so you can easily buy it. But if you are doing order work, you can give preference to 3 or 400 GSM paper. It is neither so thick and nor so thin, and it is foldable as well, so you can easily work on it and shift it anywhere. Now you have come doubt in your mind that why we can't take more higher number of GSM paper for order work. It would be more good, but wait, you can't fold paper above than 400 GSM. It would be tear when you will fold it. So remember this. I hope you would be understood about GSM. Now let's talk about what is hot press and cold press paper. So we have used hot press paper for pencil colors like charcoal and graphite, and cold press paper is used for watercolor or maybe ink work. Hot press paper are much smooth in compared to cold press paper, and cold press paper has slightly bumpy surface like tooth. Now let's talk about material of paper. So paper are manufactured by different things like cellulose, cotton, tree leaves, etc. But we are use cotton paper for watercolor painting. The reason is that cotton can absorb lots of water and it doesn't dry quickly, so you can work in long time on it. Now talk to another thing. You are saying 25% cotton paper, so it is mean that this paper is made by only 25% cotton, and it is made by 100% cotton. You can see how much thicker is it than it. All you know that cotton can absorb more water than the other material, so I highly recommend you always try to buy 100% cotton paper. One more thing I want to tell you, that you often see acid free paper written on the paper imperial. It means that this paper will be not yellow with the time. You must have often see that papers turns yellow with time. So I have told you all about papers. Now you have enough knowledge about papers, so when you go to buy papers you can easily find out right paper according to your convenience. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon button. So I'll meet you in the next lesson. Till then, bye bye and take care yourself.